Hello everybody, as in previous years, this year to the new BA graduation 4-year course admission process for the first semester across the entire state of West Bengal is commencing from this evening, as per the Department of Higher Education, Government of West Bengal notification dated 14th May 2026, the admission process will be conducted according to the following schedule. First phase. Times the portal will be made live from the evening of 18th May 2026. Times registration on the portal must be completed from 18th May to 1st June 2026. Times publication of merit list 9th June 2026. Times admission against seat allotment 9th to 15th June 2026. Times publication of seat allotment for the upgrade round 20th June 2026. Times admission against upgraded seat allotment 20th to 23rd June 2026. Times physical verification of admitted candidates at respective colleges 27th June to 4th July 2026. Times classes will commence from 6th July 2026 onwards. Second phase, a mop-up round has also been mentioned in the official notification. Interested students may scroll down, pause, and read the detailed information carefully. Please visit the official websites regularly for the latest updates and notifications. For the Central Admission Portal, www.wbcap.in. For the Nani Bhattacharya Smarak Mahavidyalaya Portal, www.nbsm.ac.in. Please note, kindly check all your entries carefully, especially names, dates, and other personal details before final submission. Hope this information will be helpful to everyone. Thank you.